Dramatic video from Japan as passengers are evacuated from the 787 Dreamliner after the aircraft was forced to make an emergency landing over a battery malfunction. 18 minutes into its hour-long journey and at 30,000 feet, the All Nippon Airways flight, which was headed for Tokyo, had to begin its descent. Passengers can be seen using the plane's inflatable slides, renewing global concerns over a plane many see as the future of commercial aviation. Japan's two leading airlines, who operate around half of the 50 Dreamliners delivered by Boeing to date, have temporarily grounded their fleets following the incident. It follows a series of mishaps for the new Dreamliner, which has suffered fuel leaks, a battery fire, a wiring problem, a brake computer glitch, and a cracked cockpit in recent days.